Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by selecting the frame that represents the live page. This is where you preview. Make sure the frame size matches your target device, desktop or mobile, so spacing and breakpoints behave correctly. Once done, tidy layers and name components. This prevents missing elements when you mirror or publish. Also convert repeated elements to components. Doing so keeps interactions consistent. Now that the groundwork is ready, you're set to add prototypes and interactions in the next step. You now create the actual preview by switching to prototype mode and drawing connections between frames, link navigation items to target frames. Choose interaction triggers like on click or on drag and select transitions. Smart Animate helps simulate motion between states, while Instant is useful for modal toggles. Make sure you set the starting frame and device options so Figma renders correctly. Once your interactions are defined, test them in the present view to confirm flows and timings before you publish or mirror. You finish by pressing present to run the prototype. This gives you live feedback on interactions and layout. For mobile testing, open Figma Mirror or share the prototype link with the device. Once stakeholders review, update components and retest as needed. If something goes wrong, inspect hidden layers, masks, and overridden component properties. These are common culprits. Make sure constraints and overflow behavior are correct, then repreview. That troubleshooting step resolves most preview mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.